Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to archive and unarchive boards in monday.com. So once you log into monday.com, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to archive a board, you need to go and head over to your workspaces up the top left hand corner here. So press that and then you need to select the board that you'd like to archive. Now I'll quickly go over why archiving might actually be really useful. Let's say you use a board for an event each year, but you don't want that board hanging around throughout the remainder of the year when that event is not on or is in planning stages, etc. You probably want to get rid of it or hide it, and then you can bring it back when that board is then again useful. So in order to do so, just hover over the board that you'd like to archive, press the three dotted button on the right hand side here, press that, and then you can see the archive option is down the bottom here. Just need to then press archive and that board is then archived. And as you can see, it disappears entirely from our workspaces. But if you'd then like to retrieve that particular board, for example, when the event is starting up again, all you need to do is head over to your initials down the bottom left here, press your initials, and then just go to the archive option, which is below recycle bin. So we'll press archive, and then as you can see, this this board has been archived as we just did moments ago, and then you can view it if you'd like to, and then you're also able to restore it. And if you restore it, if you'd like to restore it, you just need to press the restore button, and then that particular board will be added back to our workspaces. So if I head back to our workspaces up the top left here, you can see that that board has now been added back into our workspaces. And that is how to archive boards in monday.com. I hope this video has clearly explained how to archive and unarchive boards in monday.com. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.